I see us in the park, strolling the summer days of imaginings in my head, and words from afar, told only to the winds of imagining in my head. I don't want to bore you with my troubles, but there's something about your love that makes me weak and knocks me off my feet. Oh, yes, that there's something about your love that makes me weak and knock me off my feet.